Home for Asmahan Jabali has always been Taibeh in central Israel. She was born, married and raised 3 children here. Today she's bringing one of them, Sajid, to visit her mother. Asmahan's parents are Palestinians who came to Taibeh from the West Bank in the 1970s. Her husband is an Israeli citizen, but under a long-standing law she's been unable to gain citizenship or even permanent residency. She calls the law racist, with harmful day-to-day consequences.
We pay a lot of money, but we don't get the same service. If you don't have a legal status, there's a lot you can't access. Families without legal status were not entitled to get COVID vaccination. These are the challenges resulting from this law.
Last summer, as Asmahan and other campaigners protested outside, Israel's parliament failed to do something it had done every year since 2003, pass an annual extension to a law established at the height of the Second Palestinian Intifada, or uprising. For the first time, the law lapsed, but Israel's Interior Minister, Ayelet Shaked, instructed her department to continue enforcing it. That earned her a rebuke in the courts, but Shaked insists the situation will soon be resolved in the Israeli parliament, the Knesset. Last July, right-wing opposition members voted against a law they support in order to damage the then-new coalition government. This time round, they're on board to vote it through. Members of legal aid group Hamoked say they will continue to pursue every application made during the lapse in the law.
What she is proposing to legislate is a retroactive denial of rights. Of course, that has no legal basis at all, and we would also fight that in the courts. People who have submitted requests now, when no law is in force, even after she passes a law, we will insist that those people get the rights to which they're entitled.
Left-wing ministers say the citizenship law is discriminatory. Another law, the law of return, entitles any Jewish person to Israeli citizenship. But with overwhelming parliamentary support, this temporary law is set soon to be back on the statute books, 19 years after it was first introduced. Harry Fawcett, Al Jazeera, West Jerusalem.